guys, in this video I'll show you how to clear all filters in Power BI. So if I expand this on the right hand panel, the filters, okay, we'll see on this page we have city and country. And if I select, let's say, let me first choose the country. Let's do Algeria, right? So I'll do Algeria. And for the city, let's do Algiers, which is in Algeria. So there we go. So we have everything filtered. Now to clear this, we go ahead and collapse these. So this is what you would see. All you need to do is come here and click on this eraser button. Okay, so you clear this filter and then you clear this one as well. So there's no way you can clear everything at once unless you're using slicers. Now if you're using slicers, what you do is under insert, click on buttons, click here on clear all slicers, and you'll actually get a button you can press to clear all the slicers. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple.